Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today we can going to discuss about the orphan pages. What is orphan pages and what is the exact solution so you guys can optimize your orphan pages. Okay. So before that, before the started, I wanted to request you with a one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, so it's a humble request you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay. So the what are orphan pages in SEO? Orphan pages are website pages that are not linked to from any another pages or section of your site. This means a user cannot access the page without knowing the direct URL. Additionally, these pages cannot be followed from another pages by search engine crawlers, which means they are rarely indexed by search engine. Okay, so if your website are having any orphan pages, that mean your orphan pages are very rarely it should be going to index on the Google crawler. Okay, so how you guys can found your orphan pages? So there is a very simple method. So this is a site checker.pro tool. So you guys have to create your project on that tool, then you guys can able to found your orphan pages. And the main thing, this tool can provide you a 14 days free trial. There is no any requirement to you guys have to add your credit card details, so you guys can simply access this tool premium version. Okay, so you guys have to create your project, then you guys can see that kind of interface. So from top of the left section, you guys can see there is a site audit section, so you guys can click over there. And if you guys can want to, I can create a full tutorial video for this tool, so you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section, so I can going to create a dedicated video for this tool. There you guys can able to audit your website technical and the on page. Okay, so you guys can see top of the section, you guys can see orphan URLs only found via sitemap. There is a 12 pages, so you guys have to click view issues. Got it? So you guys can see these are URL not discovered through internal linking and have a status code from 404. So you guys can see this is orphan pages, so you guys have to make a list. Then you guys can, if any pages are important for your business or services, suppose that request a quote is not important to you guys can make any internal linking, but you guys can make internal link on your website footer section. So from footer section, you guys can add your privacy policy piece, so you guys are able to internal link this piece. And the other services, about us, contact us, you guys can for the contact us, you guys can internal link from your menu section. And your services, you guys have to internal link with your another service pages from your blogs or any index page. So you guys have to make a list on those URLs. Then after that, you guys can make internal linking. Then you guys can also going to add your sitemap in your sitemap. Then you guys can try to found this those URLs are on your website menu bar. Okay, so these are a method to you guys can optimize your orphan page URL. Okay, so suppose that I can going to enter in this doc how to optimize ORPHAN orphan pages. First thing, you guys have to make internal linking. Second thing, you guys have to add on site map file. And also the third thing, you guys are also able to add your all important URLs in a HTML sitemap. If you guys are haven't idea what is HTML sitemap, so you guys have to share your comments. I can going to create a dedicated video for this topic. Okay, and another thing you guys have to add, So these are four methods. So these are the four methods, so you guys can optimize your orphan pages if your orphan pages are important. So suppose that sometime or how orphan pages are generated. So because sometime this is going to mistake by your developer, that could be going to generate automatically any URL, and there then developer cannot going to internal link with your any respective section other pages. So these are a process for the orphan page. In this video you guys can learn how to find orphan pages and the what is orphan pages. If your website are having any orphan pages, what should be going to impact your website health. So you guys can learn many things, and the main things we have discussed to how you guys can optimize your orphan pages. Okay, so suppose that these are a orphan page URL, you guys have to make a list, then you guys can think about then you guys can make a plan to how you guys can make internal link on those pages. Okay, so still if you guys are watching till and so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can understand and you guys can make something helpful from your side. Okay, so bye bye yeah, and take care.